Friends, my international friends, European, American, Russian, I have been coming to you very often, but due to Corona and due to certain practical problems, I am not able to travel to Europe, to America, to Russia, to Japan, other countries. So I decided to launch a video program by which you can learn some of the techniques of keeping healthy, wealthy, because healthy, wealthy, very good. One has to be very healthy, wealthy and wise. So through yoga, it's an ancient system of life where our rishis has been practicing different kind of postures, yoga, pranayama and dhyan. Recently, United Nations also found that yoga is a systematic systematic technique which can be observed and followed by anyone at any age and even including Ashtabakra, who body was Ashtabakra means 8 times difficult to practice anything, but dhyana can be practiced by anyone. So I have been taking some of the simple techniques of asanas. Let me tell you, before you practice any asana, you need to have your body very cleaned up. Like doing some cleaning techniques, Kundala, Neti, Sutraneti, Jalneti, which I have been telling. And each and every disease, you need to practice this. Before starting yoga, today I am taking a very common disease, which is called sugar, diabetes, Madhumeh. As per my thinking, Madhumeh is not a disease, but it's a cause because of your stress, because of your mental problem, and thinking not positively. So what the causes of diabetes are stressful life, not surrendering to God, not giving all the credit to God. Aham, ahankar, ego is also one of the reasons of having such a disease. In diabetes, what happens that we lose insulin and pancreas become weak. Why pancreas become weak? Because your mind is weak, your mind is not accepting the things which are happening around you. But if you accept that it's a natural thing, then your mind will be in tranquility. So these are the main causes of diabetes, and first thing which you need to practice in diabetes is Shavasana. I am showing you Shavasana is the most difficult one which you can practice. Shava means dead body, Mrit Sharir. When your body is in corpse posture, Shava posture, your mind is in tranquility, your senses are relaxing, your mind is also in peace and mind is also not functioning. When your mind does not function, your blood pressure, your pancreas, your heart is in normal condition. The first thing which you need to practice in diabetes is Savasana. Even after every asana, Savasana is required to be practiced. First asana of diabetes is Ardha Masthendriya asana, which Ardha Masthendriya, there was a yogi who was known as Machendranath, who has been always sitting in full Masthendriya asana, but this is Ardha Masthendriya asana. Look, Ardha Masthendriya, you are trying to pressurize your pancreas and there is a Uddiyana Bandha and stomach goes inside. Then you will practice from the right side and then left side. Then you practice Matsasana. Matsasana is very good. If you practice Matsasana, first you sit either in Sukhasana or you sit in Padmasana, and then your pancreas you hold the breath. In every posture, breath is very important because normally people claim that No, I am practicing yoga for a very long time, but I have no benefit. But I give you my practical example. I am practicing yoga since the age of 12. Now I am 76 plus and I am keeping very healthy, wealthy life, and I am very happy with my all things, whatever God has given. So Matsasana means that you go on the back side and lie down on your back. Matsasana also helps you in pancreas plus your back. These are two simple postures of diabetes, but there are some more. I will show you one or two more. That is Uttana Padasana, Naukasana, Karasana. I am sure that I was telling you when I was first time in Italy, one of the priests in temple was suffering back problem for many years, and he has been taking lessons on yoga, but he has never got permanent relief. But it was my luck of days of Krishna and Rama that I taught him 2-3 asanas by which he said my back pain has disappeared. So he said that I was practicing, but I was not practicing with breathing. So whenever you practice any asana, you should always try to link with the breathing, how to inhale and how to exhale. For example, what is pranayama? I have been telling before, pranayama is doing for your lungs and also for your mind and brain. See, all our senses are affected by the prana. We have eyes, we have nose, we have tongue, we have skin. These are 5 senses of knowledge, jnana indriya. In jnana indriya means realization. So if you are practicing pranayama, then your senses are automatically cease to function. When your senses do not function, your mind has nothing to do because mind has to surrender. So the indriya means senses, motivates the mind, oh, it's a beautiful place, it's very nice, it's very smelling, nice, and tasty and beautiful. So when these messages goes to mind, mind activates, and mind do not have any wisdom or viveka, and that's why mind can do anything wrong. So wisdom is needed for anything. You see, viveka, intelligence, and wisdom controls, disciplines your mind. That is why the whole world is under discipline. When we practice meditation and yoga, it has been found in many researches and reports have been coming that many people who were smokers, who were chain smokers, who were not able to do anything in life, after practicing yoga, they become successful. And that is why the United Nations started Yoga Day in the world. That was on the request of our Prime Minister of India, Shri Modi ji, who has been practicing yoga, and you have seen for 4 years, they have never heard that my Narendra Bhai is ill and he is lethargic, he is tired. No, he is always active like a young boy at the age of, he is now almost 73. He is born on 17 September 1950. So he, at his age, people feel very tired. But he is active and selflessly is working for the whole world and not only for India, whatever message he is giving. So I am not involving any political person, but I am involving the Prime Minister of this country, not BJP man or any man, but we have to see how the life of these great people can affect the common man. So my request again to you that please practice some of the asanas, practice meditation, practice pranayama, and in any case, if you find any difficulty in practicing these things, I am ready to come to your place, or you can call me on my number 981111 4180 729090 1889, or visit to Kalki Balaji Dham at 2228 Autumn Line near GTV Metro, Gate 2. Thank you very much. If I have not given you correct message, please forgive me. And if you want to give me any suggestion, you are always welcome here or online or whatever you want to say. Thank you very much once again. And I finished my talk. The WHO have approved this By practicing this, you can make three important things. Your lungs, your brain, and heart will be very, very healthy,